What is going on, guys? My name is Ray and we are going to explore through IGTV. So what is IGTV? IGTV is another new update that Instagram did on their platform to post vertical videos that are about 10 minutes long. On the app it says 10 minutes, but like on the news that I've been on the articles and stuff, it says an hour long. I'm not sure yet. I guess they're still kind of testing things out, but let's get straight into the phone. What I'm gonna do is split the screen, and I'll show you guys how this whole app thing works. So let's get right into it. So in the top right corner it looks like a TV, and I like that little concept that they did, that little static feel as if it was, you know, a TV, because IGTV, I get it. And the video automatically plays. Now I do have an issue with that. Like, what if I was in a quiet place and I don't want it to play, you know, off the gets, and the music was super loud? That could be an issue there. And just scrolling through, and you can actually just kind of navigate through whoever you're following or whatever content you search up. They kind of have a list of for you videos and stuff like that. And then you got this too, the trending, the popular page, and then continue watching. Oh, you can even search up whoever, you know, like whoever you're searching up on this little app here, and then continue watching. All of this stuff here. So I think it's pretty sweet. These are the videos that I was watching in the beginning, and then this is like my little section. You tap this. Oh, okay. So it goes to that person's whatchamacallit, page. That's pretty cool. If you guys haven't yet, go ahead and just follow me. Little shameless plug in there, you know what I'm saying? But let's see how you add videos. So this is, I added 2 videos already, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. Oh wait, let's check this out. So if you're okay, no, I thought it was doing a tap thing. I think if you were to scroll to the side, does it? Okay, yeah. So if you swipe left or right, you can go to the next video. That's pretty cool. Okay, and boom, on your page it will look like this, and then you can see the 2 videos that, you know, are uploaded. It's pretty cool. And I got a check mark on this one. I guess I haven't finished this one yet. So if you finish the video, it gives you a check mark. Now here's how you add videos. So you tap the little plus sign at the bottom. You tap this plus sign, go to videos, and you tap that, and then you can go to your, you know, camera roll or whatever. But the video must be vertical, and it has to be between 15 seconds and 10 minutes long, which is what I'm reading here right now. Okay, but that's pretty much it. It's really nothing much to it. It's just definitely another platform. So what are my 2 cents? How do I feel about it? Honestly, I think it's just going to be another platform to post your content on. And as far as like what I'm going to post, I really don't know. Maybe behind the scene content or whatever. But like, this really gives us no excuse to post content out there. It's like easy to do. You can post whenever you feel like. You don't have to do all this fancy editing or whatever if you're not really skillful in that category. And if you really want an online presence, like, these apps gives us the tool to do so. Obviously all you got to do is stay consistent with it. So the competition is there definitely, and I don't see anything wrong with it. I think it's going to be the next big thing, potentially. Who knows? Because obviously Instagram is a big player in the media world, right? So that is my 2 cents. That is us exploring IGTV. So definitely feel free to check it out or not. I don't know. Really up to you guys. But that is it. See you guys tomorrow. Peace!